Good morning, traders. How's everybody doing today? It is now December 19th, 2025. Almost Christmas, man. How amazing is that? I know time is flying. It's been a minute. But I did want to give you a quick update on my account. I got a position that I'm finding interesting right now, so I figured I will share with you guys and let you know what you think. As you guys know, I love to short and sell puts. So earnings if on Nike was this morning, and I went in to get good premium. Collected a pretty good amount for it, about $79, and it looks like Nike's earnings did not go well. It closed. It was at 65. It's now dropped to 58. On my spread, I'm doing a spread because this is an IRA account, and I didn't want to lock up so much capital. So I have a 57.5 short to a 50 long, which is about $750 spread between the two. But yes, you see Nike has tanked. It went from 65 to 58. It's still above 50 cents over my strike price, but I'm pretty much on the dance floor at market open unless it rips up a little bit more. But it definitely pulled down a lot. So how would I do this? Now, typically, when you have a debit spread, you keep it together, you manage it together. But I'm more about the wheel strategy. I'm all about buying stocks that I can afford. And so I am totally fine with owning Nike at 57.5 or lower. Definitely not interested in owning it at 65. So this is why I did a margin of safety. Everybody talks about the risk of doing earning plays. So I'm totally for them. I just use it. I use that volatility to my advantage, and I can get really good discounted pricing on good companies. So how would I do this? I'm gonna be all defense today. All defense. I'm not going to manage this together. I always buy the wing to provide a hedge. Right? It covers it maximizes buying power, but when it goes, I don't want to say the word against me, but when it goes down to the dance floor, this long put is going to be worth more money. So I paid 24. This morning it's going to be worth a lot more than $24. So the first thing I'm going to do probably about 10 o'clock is sell my long so I can become naked. And I'm going to lock in all the profit that's going to be on this long. And that will help fund the management of me rolling my Nike position. As you see, I'm near the dance floor, which is perfect. It's a perfect time to start looking for more premium. This is only 63 days out. So all I'll do is once the market comes up, we still got another hour. So Nike might start slowly going back up, or it might go back down, but it definitely reacted to earnings. If you look at the option chains, this is the setup from last night. You see, I'm tempting the dance floor. I didn't trade outside of it. The expected move was just $10, which is pretty much what it did. Right, it's a little less than 10. It went down to right on the edge of its expected move. So I highly anticipated hovering around this area at market open. It probably won't sell down more, but I figure if I can just lock in the profits on this long side here, like if I close that out and get a good win on that, then I'll probably start looking to roll this down to the 55 or maybe the 52.5 in a further out time frame. So just wanted to get a heads up before the market opens so you can see what I'm dealing with right now. I'm totally not upset. You definitely want to trade things that you can afford, right? And so I have the buying power to cover this if for some reason I get assigned in 2 months. I get assigned at 57, but I'm going to long before it gets to 57. I'm gonna go ahead and manage this down, probably to like a 55, an even 55, or even depending on the strikes, depending on the future strikes. I'm gonna see. I might come down here to the Marches and start looking. I might start looking. There's a lot of volume here on this one, so I might move to this one maybe, just to get a little bit further out, 5,500, But we'll see. This is probably gonna be looking for it though. It's something like that. Depending on how the markets look at market open. All right. Other than that, you guys have a great day. If I don't talk to y'all before Christmas, have a very Merry Christmas, and I'm gonna see you guys in the new year. Y'all take care. Happy trading.